Today is the day we're gonna be putting this guy in. All right, so first thing we gotta do is we're gonna remove pretty much all of this. We gotta get this heat exchanger out. That's a tight fit. All right, so we got the whole circuit board and brain side out of the way. We gotta remove the pressure switch, the inducer motor, and all of the combustion chamber just to get to the heat exchanger. Gas is already off, high voltage is already off. Let's get inside. First off, I want to give this guy a good cleaning as well. Get whatever's in there out of there. Always gotta leave things propped up. Always leave it propped up. There she is. Oh yeah. Pull her out. This guy. There's a screw there. Well, how do they expect you to get those screws in the back? On there. Oh, isn't that interesting? It's never easy. She's a nubby. Got one screw holding me up. Jeez, how do they even get that in there? Okay, let's go in. Well, got this part exposed. You need to see the rust. But now I gotta take the blower motor off because we got these 3 screws. Oh boy. Okay. It should be ready to pop out. Oh yeah. And now I can access those screws holding this in. Okay, she's coming loose, slowly but surely.
Apple pie's worn out.
Turkey. Turkey all day.
I like him.